Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, assuming that you already have TikTok Live in your PC. And if you don't have it yet, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and download it. Okay, so once downloaded, open it up and it will ask you to log in with your TikTok account. Now, before you can go live, okay, your follower count must be at least 1,000 followers, okay, if you're a gamer. Though sometimes 10,000 followers are needed for non-gaming content. So if you're just gaming, you're lucky. So I'll go ahead and go to the left panel right here and select your studio view. It could be portrait or landscape. Now, if you want to live stream for both portrait and landscape, you must at least go live for about 3 times and for 25 minutes each. Okay. So most importantly, right here, go ahead over to the left panel and just go ahead over to game capture and make sure that you have the game open. For example, I have here Roblox. So go ahead and click on the gear icon under game capture and then just go ahead and click on this drop down and find your game. Okay. Once that's done, you can enable capture cursor right here and compatible mode. Okay, so click on apply. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and open up a game right here under Roblox. Okay, go back to TikTok Live and as you can see, that is now working. Now, finally, what you need to do next is just go ahead and add in your microphone. To add in a microphone, if it's not automatically detected in here, click on the gear icon besides that says audio mixer. Now, go ahead and select your correct microphone. Just click on the gear icon and general settings right here. Okay. If you want to add in some noise suppression, if your room is quite loud, well, go ahead and add it. If not, just click on save. Once done, tap away. And then after that, you can go ahead over to the top, click on the gear icon and set the FPS. Okay. Video quality right here. You can stream as high as 1080p 60 FPS right here. Okay, change the FPS value to 60 and save. There you go. Video bitrate right here. You can go ahead and just leave it as is, as this one is recommended. Encoder, select which one is best for you. As you can see here, mine is auto-picked. Yours might be the same, but if you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, H.265 is the best at the moment. Okay, if it feels laggy, gotta use H.264. Now, if you don't have a graphics card, well, just go ahead and select X.264. Okay. Now, if you do have an AMD or Intel graphics card, you'll have a ton of options right here. All right. So add in your Steam latency if you want to. If not, just click on close. Okay. If you want to, you can allow automatic speed test to optimize your live right here. Click on run. It will automatically apply what needs to be applied in here. Okay. So just close it. And finally, all you got to do is just click on go live and enjoy your game. That is how you set up the TikTok Live Studio for gaming. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.